In this video, let us solve question number 33 of CBSE Class 10 Maths Sample Question Paper 2024. The question carries 4 marks and is taken from the chapter Applications of Trigonometry. The question is, one evening Kaushik was in a park. Children were playing cricket. Birds were singing in a nearby tree of height 80 meter. He observed a bird on the tree at an angle of 45 degree. When a sixer was hit, a ball flew through the tree, frightening the bird to fly away. In 2 seconds, he observed the bird flying at the same height at an angle of elevation of 30 degree, and the ball is flying towards him at the same height at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. What is the distance of the foot of the tree? Was he observing bird sitting on the tree? This question carries 1 mark. The second question is, how far did the bird fly in the mentioned time? There is an internal choice question. Or, after hitting the tree, how far did the ball travel in the sky when Kaushik saw the ball? These questions carry 2 marks. You can try any one of these. What is the height of the bird in meter per minute if it had flown 20 into root 3 plus 1 meter? One evening, Kaushik was in a park. Children were playing cricket. Let this be the ground where children are playing. Birds were singing on a nearby tree of height 80 meter. This is Kaushik. Let this point be C. This is the tree. Birds were singing on it at the height of 80 meter. This is the birds, many birds singing. Let this point be A. Then he observed a bird was on the tree at an angle of elevation of 45. If we join C and A, let this point be B. If he observed a bird on the tree at an angle of elevation of 45 degree. This is the bird. Angle of elevation is 45 degree. Here arises a question. At what distance from the foot of the tree was he observing the bird sitting on the tree? We have to find CB. Now, in triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side here? AB. So, adjacent side is CB. So, AB by CB, that is equal to, here AB is 80 meter. AB is 80 meter. CB we have to find. It implies that we know the value of tan 45. What is it? It is 1. So 80 by CB. So CB is equal to 80 meter. So answer for the distance from the foot of the tree was he observing the bird sitting on the tree. Means distance between the foot of the tree, this is the foot of the tree, and Kaushik, this is Kaushik, is 80 meter. This is 80 meter. When a sixer was hit, a ball flew through the tree, frightening the bird to fly away, like this. From here to here, the bird flew away. In 2 seconds, he observed the bird flying at the same height at an angle of elevation of 30. Height of the bird from the ground is 80 meter only. Let the point be D, bird's point be D. DE be the distance. This is 80 meter. And angle of elevation is 30 degree. Angle DCE is 30 degree. And the ball flying towards him at the same height. The ball at the moment is here. This is the ball. After 2 seconds, the ball is here. This is the height of the ball from the ground. This is 80 meter. And the points are F and G. GF is the point. GF is the height of the ball from the ground. That is 80 meter. Its angle of elevation means angle FCG is 60 degree. Now let us solve the second question. There are two segments in this question. The first one is how far did the bird fly in the mentioned time? Means 2 seconds. We have to find the distance from A to D, which is equal to B to E. How can we find out the distance between B and E? CE minus CB. CB we have already find out, which is 80 meter. This is 80 meter. Here I have written. So now we have to find the distance between C and E. CE minus CB. So now we have to find the distance between CE. For that, now we have to find the distance between CE. How can we find? For that, we have to use the triangle DCE. In right angle triangle DCE, tan 30 is equal to, this is 30 degree, no? So, tan 30 is equal to DE by CE. Here DE is 80 meter. CE we have to find out. It implies that tan 30 is 1 by root 3, that is equal to 80 by CE. So CE is equal to 80 root 3 meter. Now we have find out that CE is equal to 80 root 3 meter and CB is equal to 80 meter. So BE is equal to CE minus CB, that is equal to 80 root 3 minus 80, that is equal to 80 common root 3 minus 1 meter. So the bird flew in the mentioned time by 80 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Distance from here to here is 80 into root 3 minus 1 meter. Now let us solve this question. After hitting the tree, how far did the ball travel in the sky when Kaushik saw the ball? Means from here point A to F. Now we have to find the point distance between FA, which is equal to GB, which is equal to CB minus CG. We already know the measure of CB, which is equal to 80 meter. CG we have to find out. For that we have to involve with the triangle CGF. In order to find the CG, we have to involve with the triangle FCG. Here angle C is 60 degree. So we have to find out tan 60 is equal to opposite side is FG, adjacent side is CG, FG by CG. Tan 60 means root 3 is equal to FG is 80 meter by CG. So CG is equal to 80 by root 3 meter. 80 by root 3 meter CG is equal to. Now we have to find the distance between FA, which is equal to GB. GB is equal to CB minus CG. CB is 80 meter. CG is 80 by root 3 meter. That is equal to 80 is common here. So this is 1 minus 1 by root 3 meter. So the ball traveled in the sky by a distance of 80 into 1 minus 1 by root 3 meter. Now let us solve the third question. That is, what is the speed of the bird in meter per minute if it had flown 20 into root 3 plus 1 meter? We know that speed is equal to distance by time. Before that, we have to convert 2 seconds. Time taken is 2 seconds into what? 2 seconds into minutes. That is 2 by 60. That is 1 by 30 minutes. We know that speed is distance by time. Distance is 20 into root 3 plus 1. Time is 1 by 30 minutes. That is equal to 30 goes here. 20 into 30 is 600 into root 3 plus 1 meter per minute. Therefore, the speed of the bird will be 600 into root 3 plus 1 meter per minute when it had flown 20 into root 3 plus 1 meter.